Good morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you are, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Now, this week we have not taken any trade. Okay, I'll explain why. And it's not a bad thing. It's a very good thing actually, because that shows how my psychology has grown. Okay, that shows the level of psychology improvement I have made. Okay, setups were there, but setups were very fast. For example, we'll start with gold. Gold, I intended to take this setup. Where's the loading? Come on. There you are. I intended to take this setup, but it happened too fast, so I missed it. But I did not chase it. Okay, this is where psychology kicks in. Most people would have chased this setup because they don't want to miss. The FOMO kicks in. But as a trader, you should know sometimes it's better to miss the whole setup than to chase it. Okay, this was a very good setup. These movements happened today, that is on Thursday, but when I'm posting this video it will be on Friday. These movements happened, but it's okay. I rather miss the setup. Another thing, I was trading very, very carefully this week. One of the main reasons is the Iran-US peace deal. Okay. The other one is we have a new Fed in office. We have Kevin Walsh. Now, I knew Kevin Walsh will come with new policies. Okay. And I knew those policies were going to impact the market in one way or another. This is why I live stream. I talk about some things like this. So I knew Kevin Walsh was going to come with policies that will impact the market, either negatively or positively. We saw it yesterday. The market was very, very, very volatile when he was speaking. Okay. Remember, he gave the rate cut. He did not cut them. Okay. He decided to keep the rates as they were. Everyone expected Walsh for the first day in office to cut the rates. Okay, he did not. He had a very brief conference, the first conference he ever held, Fed conference, and he was brief and did not give any information. He was talking in a way that reporters did not get anything juicy about what he was going to do. So I knew he was going to be a different Fed from Powell. Okay, he was going to behave in a different way. So that's one of the main reason. Another main reason, and the other thing, I rather miss a setup than regret taking a losing setup. So when it comes to gold, this was our initial setup. This is something that we waited to take, and as you can see, it's going down and down and down. So I have bad news for anyone who wants to buy gold. Please be careful. I didn't say they are not right. I might be wrong. Remember, in the market, nobody is right, nobody is wrong. But be careful. This is the trend. As you can see, this is the overall trend. The market has been dropping ever since that speech was given by Walsh. Okay, this was during those Walsh times. So I'll be very careful. This BTC, I didn't have a BTC setup. Okay, you all know that I did not have a BTC setup. And as you can see, BTC is bearish as of today. BTC, I trade BTC Euro. BTC is bearish. Okay, the market is losing, man. The market is losing. Okay, the market is bleeding. People are losing money. Investors are withdrawing their money from investment. That is gold. That is Bitcoin. That is Nasdaq, Dow Jones. That is USD. And I told you the reason behind that for those who understand my live stream. So when it comes to oil, I've been waiting for this setup. It's too tempting, man, to avoid. It's too tempting. This one, I want to short here, but I'm not yet inside the setup, okay? These were my levels. Now, there's another developing story that has made me to hold my shorts. Ukraine attacked Russia and it hit oil infrastructures. I know it might not seem as a big thing, but don't forget, Russia is a very big producer of oil. Russia is one of the biggest producers of oil. Always know that. Okay, always know that. Okay, but they are under sanctions. So what does that mean? They use shadow fleets. One of their fleets was confiscated in UK waters, that is the Great Britain's water, and they are mad about it. Now, the reason as to why I'm highlighting this is, you might think because Russia is under sanction, they are not impacting the price of oil. They kinda are. Okay, even if there is this Hormuz situation, Russia kinda is impacting the price, even though it's indirectly. Okay, even if it's behind the curtain, because they are transporting their oil under other countries' names. Okay, if they take a ship, for example, they call it Mango, so they are transporting their oil under the Mango ship. Okay, not the Russian ship, it's the Mango ship. So if something like their oil refineries are hit, that's a very big impact on the price of oil, because it's going to cut that off. Okay, you should always consider that as a trader every day, every time. So that's one of another thing that has made me not to take this short. Okay, I'm going to wait. The setup was already valid, because don't forget, the Iran war is over. Tomorrow they are signing. So after the signing, I expect ships to be released from the Strait of Hormuz. I expect oil to be sailed globally. Okay, and that will decrease and lower the prices. But don't think that the Russia factor is not a, because one of the Russian biggest refineries was hit. So for those who follow news, they understand. So when it comes to US30, no setup yet. I remember I'm saying I'm very keen on US30. So the other thing is this pair that I'm trying to understand and study currently. So this is another thing I'm very keen. I have to wait, observe, and see how it's going to behave. It's respecting my strategy, as I said, but I won't be in a rush to take any setup. It's in probation. In probation, this is where we do analysis. So I don't think I'll take the oil trade. I rather close the week, because the week is officially over. Okay, and I said I don't think I'll change my trading strategy. I won't alter it. I said I found a good trading strategy, but I'm going to keep my initial one. So I'll find a way that we will trade. We will better be holding a trade for 2 days or 3 days, or I will be coming in the live so that we can monitor the trade together. And that's why I'm saying like, subscribe, and share, so that we can have these talks during the live sessions. These are very good things. Okay, so for now, let's have a good weekend. This is the beauty of trading. Sometimes you make money, sometimes you don't make money, sometimes you don't take trades at all. Okay, this is where psychology kicks in. No fear of missing out, no fear of anything. Okay, we are not in a rush. We are not hiring setups that have not respected our trading strategy. We are okay with missing and losing a setup. So for now, chat's all out. Let's meet in the open of the week.